Hey folks, I'm Maslin Bloor from linsfood.com and Singaporean and Malaysian recipes.com. Today it's going to be a quickie. Potato patties, aka Begedil. We're going to start with peeling our potatoes and then chopping them up into little chunks. We'll cook them in boiling salted water for about 10 to 15 minutes until a knife glides right through. Then drain the potatoes, leaving them to steam dry for about 5 minutes. Chop up the aromatics that we're going to be using, which is spring onions or scallions and fresh coriander leaves. We then mash our potatoes up until you have a pretty good mash, all smooth, no lumpy bits. Then we add the chopped aromatics in there, our crispy fried shallots, some salt, and some white pepper. Mix it all up and then start forming little patties. Compress the potato mixture so that it's all glued together well, and go right through the mixture and form little patties. We then heat some oil, or we then beat an egg. Heat the oil, and then once the oil is hot, to know the oil is hot, just place a wooden utensil, and if you start seeing those bubbles, you know the oil is hot enough. So dip a Begedil or a potato patty in your egg and very carefully slide it into the hot oil. Don't burn your fingers now. So we're going to place as many patties as we can without overcrowding. So we'll do the recipe that I've given you, we'll do it in 2 batches. We're going to cook each side for about 2 minutes and then flip it over halfway. So another 2 minutes. Use whatever you want to, whatever is easier for you. So you're going for a golden brown color. They will continue to cook ever so slightly after you've fished them out. When they're done, get them out and place them on a plate that's been lined with a couple of sheets of kitchen paper to absorb all the extra oil. That's it. This is Perkedil, a very popular side dish in Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Full recipes in the description. I'll catch you guys real soon.